Hey everyone, this is Larry from wstrades.com doing a technical analysis update on QQQ, which is the Nasdaq ETF. And as you can see, this is a ugly morning. So, talked about this price level, this 351 level quite a bit if you've seen the other videos. I'm actually going to go to the weekly chart so things look a little more clear. So if we zoom in, you can see that I've got the Fibonacci retracement tool pulled up on the last impulse we had, and we've just been selling off, and right now we're actually below a 100% retracement of the last impulse we had. So it's really bad news if this level doesn't hold. If Nasdaq can't finish above about 351.96, so about 352, then the next level I see this thing possibly finding support at is around 343. Could go as low as 324-ish before it finds any sort of support. So right now is a key time. If buyers don't step in, think this is a good price on Nasdaq, then look out below. I see this thing hitting at the very best about 342. So another good thing though, if you see this orange trend line I have drawn, this is drawn from, God, this may have been actually, let me delete these fibs so we can see a little clearer. So you see this trend line that I had drawn goes from all the way back to November of 2020 to the big sell-off we had in March. And now, right now, see price level actually is at that trend line. So it's another good sign for a move higher. Like I said, this is a key time right now. If this thing doesn't find support at this level, which is that 100% retracement from the last sell-off we had, and also this very long-term trend line, then man, this thing, Nasdaq, could get ugly. So anyways, right now, very key time. So hopefully buyers step in, think this is a great price, and get this thing shot up a bit, or else we're in for some trouble. And I found one key way to kind of determine, see what the indexes are going to do is you go to the, whatever the top stocks are for that ETF. So like with Nasdaq, it's Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google. So you go to those holdings. So let's just check out Apple. And then you can see if you think Apple's going to hit some sort of support level soon. You just go through the top holdings in the ETF to see if you think things are going to kind of bounce from there. So looking at Apple, let's pull up the weekly. When in doubt, zoom out. So if you can't really see like any good support levels or whatever, it's kind of hard to see. If you just zoom out to a longer time frame, it becomes a lot easier. So right now, and I just pull my cursor, I've got the crosshairs on it up to any sort of like this candle right here. Just hold it there, and then you see this line going straight across, and see if it's touching price action right now. So see right here, nope, dip below that. How about this candle? Well, that looks like that could be some sort of support, and Apple's just about there. Looks like they can sell off to about 136 before finding some sort of support. Yeah, I could see Apple selling off, a couple more bucks before they find support. You see it hits this candle and the wick of this candle. So don't think Apple's quite done bleeding out. Let's go to Amazon. Oops. Yeah, so Amazon looks like they're going to make a 100% retracement as well. So that'd be about this level. Yeah, we're right at that level. So, you know, you can see it hits this candle, and this is a weekly chart. So it's a lot of good information. Bring it over here. Same thing, it's touching. So we could see a nice reversal on Amazon. That's good news for the Qs. Let's check out Google. Yeah, Google's been damn near parabolic. Things overbought like crazy. Yeah, I think Google's kind of a tough one, even looking at the weekly chart, because this thing's just been, like I say, almost parabolic, just straight move up. Overbought as can be on the weekly chart. So let's go to the daily and see if we can see some sort of support. We have a lot of consolidation at this level. So yeah, Google could sell off a little bit more. It's, like I say, it's kind of hard to see any sort of support and resistance level on Google with that crazy move they've had. But they are almost oversold at this point with a lot of other things. So yeah, guess we'll hold on and see what happens with Google. Now let's check out Facebook's another big one. God, what an ugly day. Yeah, I think Facebook's got a little bit more to die too. So yeah, overall, looks like a few things are at a nice support level, like Amazon. Amazon's looking great, right at a support level. So hopefully they reverse. Let's zoom out, see what we can see. Yeah, I guess Facebook lasted before this nice little fat rally. Found some sort of support right here at about 328. So hopefully that's the buying point where people think this is a great deal and jump back in. So yeah, it looks like we're about 50-50 on the stocks if they're at some sort of a support level. So like I say, if Nasdaq doesn't reverse right now, then look out below. We got some more dying to do. So everyone keep an eye on those levels. Let me pull it back up. What those were. So yeah, if it doesn't reverse at 351, then I think, you know, Nasdaq's going to come down and hit 344, and it's kind of looking more and more like Nasdaq's going to come down and test this level again. So I'll keep an eye on things. Key support right now, if it doesn't get bought back up to almost 352, then we're definitely coming down to 342.